sige. Ganun lang po. Ang ating last game is one we call Jollibee Shoot the Ball. Okay, ganun lang po. Bibigyan po namin kayo ng player number. Ay, ayan, player number. Kaya player number 1, player number 2, number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. Okay. Oo. Okay, sige. Dito lang po, bibigyan po namin kayo ng logo na magsisimbolo po na natin. And then, kapag tinawag po namin yung player number, for example, player number 2. Player number 2, kukunin niyo po yung logo. Magsisimbolo po na natin. And then move forward. Forward. Hindi mo siya na. Ayan. And then once na sinabi ko kung dribble, ayan, imagine natin dribble na lang po. Dribble. Pag sinabi ko exhibition, kahit ano mga exhibition. Apo, exhibition, pass to the number 1. Number 1, to the forward. And then, tuloy sa nating pwesto. And then, dribble. Exhibition. Ayan. Exhibition. And then, once na sinabi po namin shoot, kailangan yung logo or yung ginagawa natin logo. Bola, ipapatong nyo po dito sa upuan. Yes. Ay, sa upuan. And then, sino pa muna magpapato, kaya sila magkakaroon ng 1 point. Kaya first 3 points po, 3 points sa magkaroon ng grupo, sila po magkakaroon winner sa ating game. Yes. Okay, kaya tandaan nyo po ang ating mga player number. Okay, girls? Yes. Ready na ba ang pigeon? Ready na? How about the papitos? Ready? Ready na ba the papitos? Ready? Sige. Round 1. Player number 1. Player number 1. Dribble. Exhibition. Exhibition. Back to number 2. Number 2. Dribble. Exhibition. Back to number 4. Number 4. Exhibition. Back to number 5. Exhibition. Back to number 8. Number 8. Exhibition. Back to number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Exhibition. Back to number 7. Exhibition. Back to number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 3. Exhibition. Back to number 3. Exhibition. Back to number 4. Back to number 6. Number 8. Number 7. Number 1. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 8. Number 6. And then shoot! Ayan, dahil po dyan. Meron tayo GTR representative. Ayan, tayo kayo po ang nauna. Sa tingin na sino po ang nauna, ang right sa mga photo. Exhibition, People exhibition pass the number 6. Number 6! Okay, second na. Exhibition pass the number 1. Number 1, exhibition pass the number 8. Number 8, exhibition pass the number 2. Number 2, pass the number 3. Number 3, exhibition pass the number 7. Number 7, and then, exhibition pass the number 1. Number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Exhibition pass the number 8. Number 8, exhibition pass the number 6. Number 6, exhibition, pass the number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 6, and then shoot! Meron ng 2 points ang boys. Yes! At sige, kayo naman ang ako-ulan. Sure. Hindi na lang ako. Round 3! Round 3. Player number 1. Player number 1, exhibition, pass to number 2, pass to number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 4, number 4, number 5, number 3, number 2, number 6, number 7, number 1, number 2, number 10. Number 1, shoot! Exhibition pass the number 2. Number 2, exhibition pass the number 5. Number 5, exhibition, exhibition pass the number 7. Pass the number 8. Number 8, exhibition pass the number 4. Number 4, exhibition pass the number 3. Number 3, exhibition pass the number 8. Pass the number 6. Number 6. Exhibition pass the number 2, number 3, exhibition, number 1, and then shoot! We have a tie! We have a tie! Para ako yung masaya. Nakakahiyal kaya. Okay, sige! Last round! Last round! Ito na ba? Okay, ready? Player number 5. Player number 5. Libon. Exhibition. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Exhibition. Libon. Pass to number 2. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Libon. Exhibition. Libon. Pass to number 3. Pass to number 8. Number 1. Number 8. Number 6. Number 6. Ako na number 6. Exhibition, pass the number 1. Go na. Pass to the number 2. Pass to the number 3. Pass to the number 4. Pass to the number 1.